QuoteIt4Me is a powerful online quoting tool designed for use by individuals and small teams. With QuoteIt4Me, you can very quickly create secure, consistent, professional quotes for complex products and components. In this tutorial, we'll run through the process of adding contacts to QuoteIt4Me step by step. Let's click the green Add New Contact button from the Contacts panel of the home page to add your first contact to the system. Type your contact's details into this form exactly as you'd like them to appear on the finished quote. You can leave fields blank which do not apply. Click the red Save Contact button when you're finished. Let's go to the Contacts List page to see an example. When you begin creating quotes for customers, the Quote History page will show all your activities in a time-stamped list. This makes it easy to locate a past quote for a particular customer. The Actions buttons will vary depending on whether your quote is complete or in progress. Need to delete a test quote? You can do that here, but warning, deleting a quote is irreversible. This action is available to help you declutter your list and keep your data clean. Let's return to the Contacts List page. Notice the Copy, Excel, CSV, PDF buttons? These let you export all the contacts showing in your list. When your contacts list gets really long, use the search box or the number of entries to limit the view before exporting if you don't wish to export everything. Would you like to import contacts from another program into QuoteIt4Me? Pro users can import contacts from a CSV file. Ask us for more information about Pro accounts if you're interested. Click the Feedback Support button to send us comments or to report any errors directly to our programming team. Click the Messages icon and view all activity to see messages and notes for you, plus general QuoteIt4Me news, tips and tricks, and tutorials. Thanks for watching.